If you're in a market right now for an AI content generator, you probably stumbled across Jasper AI, formerly known as Jarvis. But you might not have the $82 a month that you need to spend, and that's on their annual plan, if you want to get their option, which is for bloggers and content marketers, which limits you at 100,000 words per month. In this video, I want to show you my favorite alternative at the moment, and it's currently on a 60% discount. It does a very, very similar job to what this does, this boss mode on Jasper, but at a significant discount. And this is the option here. It is Scalenut. In this Scalenut review, I'm going to take you through what you can do with it. We have other videos that we have done that go into more detail on Scalenut, and you can find those in a link in the description. All you've got to do is sign up for a yearly plan. So that is a big financial commitment, but it works out at $32 a month, whereas Jasper was $82 a month. So straight away, you're saving yourself $50. The other nice thing about this one here is you've got unlimited AI words. If you go for the individual plan, again, you're limited to 100,000, which is what the boss mode was offering for $82 a month in Jasper. But you've got unlimited words. And the other thing you're going to want, the other reason you're going to want to go for growth, is this cruise mode. If you have a go at the free version of Scalenut because you want to explore what Scalenut has to offer, you won't get access to the cruise mode and you won't get it on the individual plan. You're also going to want the SEO reports, because what they do is they make sure that your content is optimized for SEO to help you rank, and it's going to help you with topic clusters as well. So let me show you a bit about Scalenut. So this is what the dashboard looks like. As I said, I'm on the free account here, so I don't have access to cruise mode, but we do have a video on the channel you can check out in the description. I don't have access to topic clusters, but I can upgrade at any time. What you can do is you can come here into templates, and you can see that these are all the different things that you can do within Scalenut. So you've got product descriptions if you're wanting to do something for e-commerce, Q&A, which is great if you're working on Quora, or you've got an FAQ section that you want to add to your blog or your website, which always helps with ranking. If you want to write articles, or you're just looking to create certain parts of an article, so for example, if you're wanting to optimize content you already have, then you can use some of these tools here. Social media posts, so they've got one option here for all of the different social media. If you are wanting to work on specific copywriting frameworks, you've got those there, not just parts of an article. Website, so for example, if you are building out a landing page or you need some bullet points. YouTube, video scripts, video descriptions, which is really useful, especially this one, which is video descriptions. If you have, you need to write that video description out properly if you want to help your video to rank. And then we've got email copy as well if you're writing cold email campaigns, and then ads as well. So if you're running any Facebook, Google, LinkedIn ads, these will help you produce those as well. So a huge number of tools that you can use on Scalenut. And as I said, you're only paying $32 a month if you're willing to commit to the monthly plan. Right now on the screen, you can see a link to all other Scalenut videos so that you can see what this is capable of. If you found this review useful, consider subscribing to the channel, like the video. If there's any other software you want us to cover, just comment in the description and we'll do a video on it. We'll see you in the next one.